Diversification is a key strategy in managing risk and maximizing returns in any investment portfolio, including a cryptocurrency portfolio. Here are some ways to diversify a cryptocurrency portfolio. Investment in different cryptocurrencies. Consider investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies with different technologies, use cases, and market capitalizations. This helps to spread risk across different assets and minimize the impact of any one investment. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies that serve different market segments, such as payment systems, privacy coins, and decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies at different stages of development, from established cryptocurrencies with a proven track record to newer and less established projects with higher potential for growth. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies and other assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to further diversify your portfolio. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies that are popular in different geographical regions, as this can help to reduce the risk of geopolitical events impacting your portfolio. It's important to keep in mind that diversification does not guarantee profit or protect against losses. It is important to consider the risks and potential rewards of any investment before making a decision. Additionally, cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, so it's important to monitor your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed.